It is no rocket science. How many times have you been told this to emphasize on how something is not difficult, that it's super easy, don't worry about it. It's no rocket science. Well, of course, this comparison is drawn because rocket science is super difficult. It's complex. It's no child's play. But what if I told you that an 11-year-old has mastered it? Yes, an 11-year-old. Who am I talking about? China's rocket boy. That's what he's being called. Who is he? What's his story? Why is he being called that? Well, he is a prodigy, to say the least, who has won hearts with his incredible achievements. Wait till you hear this. He taught himself programming, physics, chemistry. First, I have to confess, this in itself left me super impressed. But there is more. This is just one part of the story. He wrote 600 lines of code to build a rocket. Yes, no wonder he's been called the rocket boy. His actual name is Yan Hongsen. He is a student from Zhejiang province in eastern China. He is so into aerospace that his parents made their living room a rocket research studio to support his dreams. He has taken online programming courses. Over 10 months, Yan built his first homemade solid-fuel rocket. Can you believe that? Building a rocket at such a young age? In fact, he launched his first rocket in June 2023. It was named Zhenxing. What does that mean, you ask? Moving forward. And move forward, the rocket boy definitely did, achieving greater heights in spite of hurdles along the way. There was a hiccup. Shortly after the rocket ascended, the booster failed to deploy its parachute after separation. But unfazed, the rocket boy kept moving forward. He focused on figuring out what led to the failure, what went wrong. Now, Yan Hongsen is modifying a second version. The rocket boy hopes to launch it again at some point. In fact, he has showcased over 600 lines of code that he wrote for the flight control system. 600 lines of code. You know what his dream is? What does he want to do when he grows up? To build a real rocket for China to explore the universe. He is no stranger to fame, by the way. When he was just 9 years old, he gained recognition for pointing out factual errors in an astronomy documentary. At just 9 years old. How incredible, right? Well, this boy's story is inspiring, more so if you and coding don't get along with each other. To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.